Creating progress bars in Google Sheets. Select your cell and then paste this formula to create your bars. So when you select the checkboxes, then you will see your progress. I will paste the formula below so you can use it in your spreadsheets. And if you'd like to learn more about spreadsheets and how you can create things like this and create spreadsheets from scratch, or use done for you templates to sell as your own, you can go to Spreadsheetables, and you get access to all of this for like free trainings. I'll link that below. You can get free trainings from creating spreadsheets from scratch and using a PLR spreadsheets, where there's done for you spreadsheets. So yeah, feel free to check that out.